In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a blank page into a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you want to add notes, highlight a section, or simply need an extra page to work from, inserting a blank page can be really useful. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure that you can do this efficiently and effectively. First, you need to open the PDF file you want to modify in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So launch Adobe Acrobat and then navigate to open or use the file menu to find your document and load it into the program. Having your document open is essential as it allows you to apply changes directly to your file. Once your file is open, you'll want to go up to the interface and look for the option called All Tools. This can usually be found in the top section of the Acrobat window. Click on All Tools and this will bring up a list of various tools and features available within Adobe Acrobat. These tools are designed to help you manage, edit, and organize your documents in a way that best suits your needs. After accessing the tool menu, you will need to select Organize Pages from the displayed options. This tool will allow you to manage the pages within your document easily. Once you've selected Organize Pages, you should see the pages of your PDF laid out, each page neatly arranged, allowing you to view and reorganize them as needed. Now look for the Insert option, which is usually located at the top of the Organize Pages interface. Clicking on Insert will provide you with several options for adding new content to your document. Here you'll want to choose Blank Page. Selecting this option tells Acrobat that you wish to add a page that's completely blank without any pre-existing content. Next, the Insert Pages dialog box will appear. In this box, Adobe Acrobat will request you to specify exactly where you would like to add this blank page. You can choose to insert it before or after a certain page within your document depending on your personal preference and the structure you're aiming for. Carefully select the appropriate location to ensure that the page integrates seamlessly into your document's flow. After you've chosen where to place your new blank page, you'll need to finalize the process, and you can do so by clicking on the OK button. This final confirmation will prompt Adobe Acrobat to insert the new blank page into your document at the designated location, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily add a blank page to any PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. It's a straightforward process, and with practice, it becomes second nature. Remember, being able to customize your PDFs can dramatically improve how you interact with these documents, making your workflow more adaptable and personalized.